Good morning, dear learners. This is Kanu. Now we are going to continue our chapter Human Migration. I hope you have gone through the first part of this lesson where we have done the meaning of migration, what is migration, and about what is shifting agriculture. Now, further, we are going to know more about the chapter Human Migration. Now, migration in olden times. In earlier times, the migration was carried out within a limited area as there were no means of transport. As we all know that in earlier times there are no means of transport, there are no roadways, no railways, waterways and no airways, and people had to walk or carry their goods, and people had to walk and carry their goods. They were scared to travel to faraway places due to difficulties. Now, the meaning of scared. The meaning of scared is worried. And they worry to travel to faraway places because they have to face many difficulties, many myths, many superstitions. Now, the meaning of myths. Myths means false idea. People believe in false ideas and superstitions. Superstitions means the tradition, the connected with old ideas. Superstitions means when we connected with old ideas. People believe in many myths and many old ideas, and they don't want to travel to another places. And this type of orthodox thinking underwent. Now, the meaning of orthodox. The orthodox means the traditional beliefs. Underwent means undergo a great change with education and logical thinking. This type of thinking of people change when they get educated and their thinking become logical. Then, because there is example in orthodox people, in olden times people believed that if they travel across a sea they lost their caste, and because according to Hindu mythology ocean is a resting place of gods and hence should not be disturbed, so they didn't travel to one place to another, and they don't want to go another country. Now, the types of migration. There are two types of migration. First one is voluntary migration and second one is forced migration. There are two types of migration. First one is voluntary and second one is forced migration. Now let us talk about voluntary migration. Voluntary migration. Voluntary migration is when people move to another place on their own wish or choice. When we move from one place to another on our own choice or wish, this type of migration is known as voluntary migration. It may be for better job, educational opportunities, etc. Voluntary migration means when people move from one place to another on their own wish or choice. This type of migration is known as voluntary migration, and the example are better job and educational opportunities. Okay, so today we only learn about voluntary migration, and tomorrow we will discuss about forced migrations and the hardship that are faced by the migrants. Okay, so in this page number 10 we learn many new words like scared. The meaning of scared is worried. Myths means false idea. Superstitions means connected with old ideas. Orthodox means the traditional beliefs. Underwent means undergo. So you have to learn these new words and their meaning, and also read page number 10 and also read page number 10 and learn two types of migration: voluntary migration and forced migration. And I hope you all have listened this chapter very attentively and enjoyed it, and tomorrow we will discuss about forced migration and the hardships faced by the migrants. Thank you and have a nice day.